Hey guys, so I want to show you a job that I just finished today. I've been here for about 2 weeks. It's a job that I'm doing for one of my customers, and it's a completely custom job. 100% of it was done by me. Drawings, build, install, everything, and I'm finally complete. So I wanted to show you guys. So I'll take you in there. What we did was a pantry. So we'll start. I put this door on here, nice clear door, see-through door. I know it says wine cellar, but we'll get to that in a second. It'll make sense. But here it is. And so these cabinets here, open up, shelves in the back. And like I said, I built these from scratch. Everything. I even bent these shelf fences, put them in the shelves. All these shelves are adjustable. Both of them open. A little squeak there in that one, but they've got magnets to keep them closed. Have to squirt some WD-40 on that or something. Spice rack. Yeah, this used to be believe it or not, it used to be the closet for the furnace. And the door was on this wall. So yeah, I put the lights in, ran the power, put the drawers in, or rolling shelves, whatever you want to call them. So, and maybe you are, maybe you're not wondering what is under here. Like, why is this room like this? That's because I'll show you. On the opposite side, put this. Nice little wine cellar. And it vents from the front, so we didn't have to worry about leaving any space in the back, because it's a pretty tight fit. So yeah, that's what's under there. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in your comments. Also, if anybody's interested in custom woodwork of any kind, give me a holler. Alright, thanks guys.